Wouldn't it be great if there was a way you could see how your shipping decisions could impact the environment? Well, now you can with FedEx Sustainability Insights. Just go to fedex.com/sustainability to log in and follow the Sustainability Insights link to create a custom report using all your shipping data. It's easy. Just select the date range for shipments you want to review. Your account number, or numbers if you have more than one, will already be entered. Or you can search by a single tracking number. Click Show Advanced Parameters if you want to narrow your report by which type of service you used, or filter shipments by origin, destination, or weight. Then click View Summary. You'll get an instant emissions report with easy-to-read charts showing your carbon usage by shipping service and transport mode, and even breaking down emission levels all the way from initial pickup to customer delivery. Click Download Results to save a detailed spreadsheet. It's that quick and easy. If you need instructions at any point, they're at the top of the page, along with more info. So you can ship smarter with FedEx Sustainability Insights.